Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you schedule option not showing in Instagram, how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is locate Instagram and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on offload app. Now what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that process is done, all you gotta do is tap on this delete app option, and once you tap on delete app, now all you gotta do is try again. But if you are still having the issue, what you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Instagram and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.